god. Well, obviously, like,
you're lucky you didn't kill anybody.
Here we go. Tell my husband to get me. Only husband. And my husband.
On April 25th, 2024, police received a call reporting a vehicle driving the wrong way.
Jasper, he's approaching my location. 3451 approaching my location. Stop sticks are set. Jasper, 3451, all 4 tires were a hit. He is continuing westbound in the eastbound lane. 10-9, all tires were hit.
40. 40 here. We got 4 to 57.
Let me see your hands. Get out of the car. Stop. Jasper, 3451, got in custody.
I'm sorry.
Get out.
What's wrong?
You're driving in the wrong lane.
What are you doing?
You're getting in handcuffs.
What am I doing?
You're driving in the wrong lane on the interstate.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're almost kill a lot of people.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. That's 3454. I got 1 custody. Go with that officer.
Come back here.
Where are we at the 66? We're at the 66 eastbound. I got county with me as well.
Yeah, you almost died in it tonight, you know that?
What?
You almost died in it tonight.
Yeah, probably. Whatever. Probably had to, sort around to get to people. But it's fine.
It's fine?
It's fine.
Okay. I'm glad it's fine with you.
I mean, why do you have to sit there and, stare at me?
You were staring back at me.
I mean, you're doing that to me.
Yeah, you're the one driving the wrong way on the interstate.
What are you doing?
Going to jail.
Oh my god. Well, obviously,
you're lucky you didn't kill anybody.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Jesus, Mary.
Why are you in your underwear?
I have... Oh, why are you tripping? Obviously.
Tripping? You're the one falling over. Lean against the car before you actually
why
do fall
don't
over.
you ask me?
I did.
Before you just... Yeah.
Why are you in your underwear?
I have underwear. Why do you fucking worry about it?
Okay.
And can I ask my husband if he can...
Lean back against the car.
Can I call him and,
No, you can be quiet.
Okay,
You
well,
guys
you
all
can
Spencer
fuck
County?
off,
Yes, sir.
asshole.
You guys already run the license?
No, not yet.
Yeah, well, you're a dish.
Dish?
No, dish bag.
Go ahead and attach it just for
A dish bag.
Yep, that's what they do.
Dish bags?
Yeah, dish bags.
That may not be
Yeah, yep, never got in trouble before, never gonna get in trouble. Are we gonna get in trouble, or are we just gonna sit here and fucking... Can you call my husband, please?
No, we're not calling your husband.
Oh, well, please call him.
Not happening.
Because it's...
You're going to jail.
Oh.
You're going to go to jail.
Okay, cool. Cool, because you're a fucking douchebag motherfucker.
I thought it was a dish
Oh,
bag.
most of them are.
Okay, good.
That's why you didn't drop... You dropped class, bro.
Dropped class?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, hello, come on. Can you call my husband, please? Call him, please, and tell him that I'm here so I can at least get something. Please, trust me.
Trust you?
Trust me on that.
I don't trust much about you. You were driving the wrong way on the interstate.
Oh, what they fucking do? What they fucking do, bitch? Okay. Bye.
Bye, you're going to jail.
Oh, cool.
You've been there
the
before?
first time.
Okay, good. Sounds like you're familiar with it then.
Don't take your handcuffs off.
Well then, let me talk to my fucking husband.
Not
period.
gonna happen.
You have a prior OWI?
I don't give a fuck about you. Bitch, bye. Fuck you. Who gives a fuck about you? Oh, and your point? Oh, and your fucking point.
You guys have cages? Yeah. You have a cage?
I don't give a fuck about you.
Is it a
And
full
your
moon?
cages? Oh,
yes, it
look
is.
how cute you are. You're like 12.
I got in a fight in Ferdinand.
I don't give a fuck. Tell my husband to get it. Tell my husband to get me.
No.
My husband's
The only
gonna
place
get
you're
me.
going is jail.
And the only husband that my husband is gonna fucking get it, bitch.
Are we
Bitch.
I know the line is
Bitch.
like very close to here.
Fuck.
Where are we at?
Yeah, bet. Bet, bitch.
Kicking
Bet,
out?
cunt.
Half cage. That's
Bet, cunt.
They're gonna transport. They got a cage.
great.
She tried kicking me.
Great.
I don't know what it is.
That's the second one today.
I'm pissing everybody off tonight. I don't get it.
Go get it.
I'm gonna check my map.
Get it. Why are you
Yeah,
tripping?
let's see where we're at. Decide which jail we're going
Get
to.
it. Get it. Tell her I said get it, bitch.
Quit fucking kicking.
Quit scratching me. Let go of the key. Let go of the key.
If you hurt me, I swear to God, I'll fucking kill you. If you hurt me, I'll kill you. You hurt me, I'll kill you. Hurt me, I'll kill you. Hurt me, I'll kill you. Ow, it hurts. It hurts. I'm not hurting. Help me, please. Oh my God, my husband hurts.
I got enough room for a finger. You're fine. It's double locked.
My husband hurts. Oh my God, my husband hurts.
Lay on your stomach. Lay on your
Oh
stomach.
my God, my husband. Oh my God, my husband. Oh my husband. Oh my husband. Oh! Oh my husband, please. 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 Please tell him. Please tell him. Please tell him. Please tell him. Please tell him, please. Please tell him.
Quit moving.
Please tell him, please. Please tell him. Please.
Part right here.
Please tell him.
Your seatbelt set up.
Ow, please. 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 It hurts. It hurts. Ow, it hurts. It hurts. It hurts. Ow. Ow. Oh. Ow.
It's half cage. Half cage.
Ow. 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 Please tell Tom, please. Tom. Tom, please help me. Tom. Tom, please. Please help me, Tom, please. Please, please. Get off my fucking shit. Get off of me. Get off me. Get off of me.
Don't bite me!
Bitch, get off me, bitch. You fucking show me how to show you. Get off me! Man, get off.
Okay, let's get her to the jail.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, DuBois County Jail. Whose car is
Bit
this?
me.
She did bite you? You all right? All right, let's get her up there. Leah, do you care to follow too? Just to have a female?
Yeah, one of your guys follow them.
Yeah, we're gonna have probably two follow you guys.
Oh, look, you got another one you can follow.
Hey, Kayla, do you want to follow them to the jail? DuBois County Jail? You and Leah?
Yeah, well, she's gonna be fine. She just bit me. She bit you?
She's very feisty.
Yeah.
I don't know how else to describe that.
Welcome. I'm here, work from here. Hi. How are you guys? I'm not here for anything in particular. Hello. Hey. Hey. How are you? Good. Good.
What's your room? Do what?
Hello.
Hi.
I really don't care about what y'all say.
Alright, Lauren, hop in the bed. Lauren, hop up on the bed.
Yeah, well, I'm kind of stuck, so.
I heard somebody recommend.
That was just rude. The guy was up here.
Yeah, but I have to go back on my like really like.
But I need to finish checking you in. Okay? So, are you having any pain right now? Okay. Do you take any medication on a daily basis?
No.
I don't know where I came from.
I don't.
Okay, so we're gonna step out in the hallway. Please don't kick the wall.
I don't really care about you.
Okay, if you continue to kick the wall, we will
I really don't
charge
care about you.
you. Okay, that's okay. I don't care about you right now either. We're just here to make sure that you are safe enough to go to jail.
Oh God, you're not going to jail.
No, I am not going to jail. You are tonight.
I am not going to jail either.
Okay.
Who took her ID?
I'll go to jail today.
Her name's Lauren.
They're running our information.
Hey, Lauren, I'm gonna read you something here, okay?
Won't be real long, and I won't really care either.
Are you listening?
Hold on. Can you pull me up this way?
What?
Can you like make me go this
I just
way?
need you to listen. Is all I need from you, okay?
Oh man. Can you make me?
Are you listening?
No.
Yeah.
Hey, Lauren. I'm gonna read you something, okay? I know you can hear me. I have probable cause to believe you've operated a vehicle. Okay. I'm gonna read it anyway. I have probable cause to believe you have operated a vehicle intoxicated. I must now want to use the opportunity to submit to a chemical test. I must inform you that your refusal to submit to a chemical test will result in a suspension of your driving privileges for 1 year. If you have a prior conviction for operating while intoxicated, your refusal to a chemical test will result in a suspension of your driving privileges for 2 years. Will you submit to a chemical test? Alright.
Oh my God. Now please let me have my door.
Hey, listen. Hey, look at me.
Please let me have my
Look at me. Do you
my
know?
daughter.
Do you know where we are?
Yeah.
Where are we?
Yeah.
Where
I
are
would
we?
love to have my daughter.
Because
Listen,
your
please
daughter's
don't.
not. Your daughter's not here.
Okay, I would love to have my kids.
Well, you can't have your kids because you're going to jail
by
tonight.
chance?
Okay, so but listen,
car.
this is
Yeah.
so
We need it to
I'm
register.
on your side. I'm a
Okay.
doctor. And you're in a hospital right now.
Alright.
And listen,
Okay.
listen to what I tell you.
I'll be right
okay?
back.
I will not tolerate that kid. I've got 2 people in the emergency department. Okay?
Hey Ben, it's okay to get back.
That's all right. But I won't have that again, okay?
482.
So you'll be able to
We're
make it.
okay.
So we're not allowed to have you make phone calls here, but as soon as they get you to jail, they give you a phone call. You can call your husband. You can call him. You can call him and just
That's
go
the
back.
thing. You'll sit here and wait and wait and wait and wait.
Oh, I'm done with you. Like, I'm ready to discharge you to jail. I'm finished with my part. They would probably like to get some blood work on it.
Yeah, oh, exactly.
Yeah, so she's clear. Enjoy the bed. Enjoy your bed itself.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we'll have to then. Was my phone there too? Awesome. We'll go right out this door here to the right.
If I die tomorrow, y'all know.
Why would you die tomorrow? You're not gonna die tomorrow.
He's gonna kill me.
Who's he?
He's not. He's gonna kill me. He's already beat my ass again.
Sorry.
Make sure my daughter's not good. Okay. Make sure she's not there, please. Please. If she's there, just make sure that she's not around.
If you scoot forward and lean back, it. Or you don't want to. You want to sit on your hands? I was gonna say that might hurt.
But if he's around, please make sure that she doesn't See ya.
Okay.
I'll follow you up there, so
I appreciate you cooperating now, okay?
Sorry.
I'm just glad you didn't hurt yourself or somebody else.
Trust me, I'm not trying to hurt anybody.
I understand that.
I have a lot of shit going on in my life. Almost too much. Just, if nobody hears from me in a few days, that's probably why.
I'll tell you what, what's your boyfriend's name?
Husband?
Husband, sorry.
Tom Jones.
Tom Jones. I will,
He's gonna hurt me. It's gonna happen.
I will make a phone call. So, Cordon's not in my district.
It's gonna happen.
But I'll call them and let them know. Have you ever had law enforcement involved between the two of you?
Yes.
You said yes?
Yeah. They've come to our house a few times.
But they never took him to jail for anything?
No, even though they have like every fucking right because they've seen all the issues. I've had black eyes, I've had everything. Tell my husband to get me. Only husband, and my husband gonna fucking get it, bitch. My ex used to.
no, watch your step.
Oh, sorry. My ex used to work for the biggest cop.
For what? Where's your cop at?
Oh, he impersonated one.
Oh, really?
And he got one anyway.
Alright, we're gonna head on in here.
Fulton County.
Okay.
Impersonation.
Alright, watch your step.
Yeah, let's because my son's dad, he impersonated a cop and then became a cop. So if y'all don't already know, I don't like y'all.
Separate your feet. You got anything that's gonna poke me, stick me, hurt me?
No.
No?
My kids.
Okay. Alright, lift up this foot. Lift up this foot.
Oh, yeah.
It's fine.
Good.